Hello everyone, this is VVS Stream. In this video we are going to see how to blink an LED using Arduino. So let's open a new sketch. We need several components such as a LED, a resistor, two jumper wires and an USB connected to the Arduino. So first of all, an Arduino microcontroller needs a program to be uploaded into the microcontroller memory from the PC to function, and pins are connected to the LED and the resistor depending upon our usage. So in Arduino IDE, the Arduino IDE is the integrated development environment for uploading and compiling the code which is to be used in the microcontroller. First of all, we need the connection to be completed. So this is the connection we have shown previously. Now void setup and void loop are the two functions given in an Arduino IDE template. The void setup setups the function, setups the pin which are need to be set as output or input. In order to glow an LED, we need two pins, positive and negative. The negative is connected directly to the ground of the Arduino. There is no pin to be set up for the ground of the Arduino. So I am setting the pin only for the positive terminal of the LED. To set up pin mode function is used, term is used, pin mode 12, I am using pin number 8 as output. So pin 8, output. This pin is set as an output, and now whenever the pin is used on output, and 5-volt output is given to the outside of the Arduino, that means to an LED. I am connecting. Now we should blink an LED. In order to blink an LED, we must first of all need supply. So first the LED should be light up. In order to light up, we must give a supply to the LED. So a 5-volt supply need to be given from the microcontroller to an LED. To achieve this, we use digital write. Digital write is used to give an 5-volt output from the desired pin we use. Here digital write 8, high is used. So a 5-volt output is given from the microcontroller to the 8th pin. Whatever we connect to the 8th pin, a 5-volt is given. Not only LED, we can disconnect the LED and also connect a buzzer or also connect a motor. But the motor does not support while connecting this LED because the motor needs an high voltage and high current. This Arduino only supplies 5-volt and an milliamps of current is supplied. So digital write 8, high and digital write. We must turn off it. So I am giving digital write 8, low. In between turn off and turn on, we must include a delay. Without delay, we cannot notice the blinking of LED. So a delay of 1 second is given. 1 second delay is mentioned as delay 1000. This gives delay of 1 second after we switch on the LED. I am copying the same and pasting here. So 8 is set as high for 1 second and 8 is set as low for 1 second. After the second line completed, the loop gets into the first line again, not to the setup, first line of the loop. So 8 is set up as 1 second and 8 is set as low for 1 second. Again 8 is set as high for 1 second and 8 is set as low for 1 second. So this is the microcontroller coding. It is very simple and easy to understand. This is the basic coding, and many several applications can be done using this microcontroller. So first of all, we should save this file. I am saving this. I have already created a light on off code and I am overwriting it. Now I should select the port. The port is not visible. So you can notice when I connect Arduino to the PC, the port is visible. Now the port is visible and it has ticked the checkbox. For several people that checkbox will not be ticked, so you have to click it. I am using Linux and this Linux is shown like this, but in Windows it shows port and COM some bracket Arduino UNO will be shown. For any errors you can comment me in the comment section. You can check the board info, serial number and the VID and PID pin numbers. So I am compiling the code before uploading it. This compilation shows any error present in the program. Now I am uploading it. Now uploaded, done upload. You can notice that the orange lights of TX and RX blinks twice after uploading. This is the indication of uploaded code as came. This is the programming of microcontroller using Arduino IDE. It is simple, but if we learn deeper, it will be easier for us. So now this is all for today's video. For more videos on Arduino, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.